Back to the story on cybersecurity and what the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner is talking about. And so far, it has received over 6,000 complaints related to potential data breaches. Now, speaking during an ongoing data protection conference in Eldoret, Data Commissioner Immaculate Kassait noted that the Commission has resolved and determined over 100 cases, accounting for approximately 1.67% of the reported complaints, and fined over 20 companies. Now, here's that story. The rapid expansion of digital infrastructure across Kenya has heightened the need for stronger data privacy measures. Since the establishment of the Office of the Data Protection Commissioner under the Data Protection Act 2019, the government has been working to bolster digital trust and safeguard citizens' data rights. Data Commissioner Immaculate Kassait underscored the obligation of multinationals, local firms and organizations to secure personal data, whether collected physically or electronically.
Any personal data that anyone collects has to make sure that it is secure, and we have to make sure that it adheres to the principles in the Data Protection Act. So we as an office, our work is to make sure that data controllers adhere to those principles at any given time.
Data is currency, okay? And when we start to understand the importance of currency, the way you protect your money, you need to be protecting your data, right? And that starts with an individual awareness, individual practice, that you can't just be giving away information that is your information without really understanding how it's going to be stored, how is it going to be secured.
She noted that over 8,000 data controllers and processors have registered with the Commission, with new regulations being drafted to impose stricter oversight over data handlers. The Commissioner highlighted that her office has received more than 6,000 complaints and has fined over 20 companies for breaches.
And when they don't adhere to them, the members of the public are free to file complaints to our office. And as an office, we undertake investigation, we undertake audits, we undertake inspection, and once we find anyone culpable, we then go ahead and either fine or give a penalty notice.
For repeat offenders, she warned licenses may be revoked. Kassait further emphasized the need for stakeholder collaboration to address challenges posed by emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence. Sector-specific guidelines are being developed to ensure ethical data usage.